Our footprints are as distinctive as our fingerprints. No two look the same, just as no two people move the same. Using new smartphone scanning technology, Dr. Scholl's now offers custom 3D printed inserts. We scan your feet and map the contours at over 400 points to identify your unique shape and arch type. We then design and 3D print each insert so it's fit just for your range of motion. Here's how you can get your very own Dr. Scholl's custom 3D printed inserts. Download and open the Dr. Scholl's 3D app and click Get Started. Then follow the instructions on screen to create custom scans of your feet in just minutes. Save your measurements to your profile and personalize your inserts from a wide variety of designs and colors. Place your order and your inserts will arrive within 2 weeks. Dr. Scholl's custom-made inserts provide comfort and support the way you were born to move. Get started on the Dr. Scholl's 3D app.